Did you know that your Kia EV6 actually has a 12 volt low voltage battery just like any other car? And in this video I'm going to show you where it is and how you can connect to it. Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video and welcome to another video on the 2023 Kia EV6. This is the GT-Line model. Now a lot of people don't realise that EVs actually have a low voltage 12 volt battery that starts all of the systems and unlocks the doors and like. So in this video I'm going to show you where it is on this car and also how you can connect to it if it's gone flat. To get to the low voltage battery we're going to go into the motor compartment found up the front there, and to get there we're just going to open up the driver's door, or the right hand side door in this instance, come down into the footwell and pull this lever here. Then we're going to go back to the front of the vehicle, put a hand in just below the Kia badge and push that lever there to the left. Now looking under the hood here, or the bonnet, it does just look like a standard engine bay from a combustion engine, and that's because you've got your fluids found over there, you've got a fuse box there, and you've got this big bit of plastic which is actually hiding your frunk. Right, we're just going to go ahead and leave that open because on the right hand side, just tucked in there, you can actually see this 12 volt low voltage battery. Just to give you the model number, it's CMF60L-DIN, and then it's in brackets, it says it's 12 volt. Make it a bit clearer for you. It's 60 amp hours and its cold cranking amps is 550 amps. So very similar to what you'd find on a combustion engine, and like I say, it's just tucked half under the frunk there. We just can actually pull this bit of plastic off like so. And then you're going to see two connections that are very similar to a standard combustion engine, and with this one just has a cover on, so if you do need to jump start the battery you can just go onto the two terminals, obviously putting the negative terminal over to the negative terminal on the other battery or car, and the same with the positive. And once you've started it, make sure you disconnect them that way round as well. So connect the neutral first, then the positive, disconnect the positive first, then the neutral. Hopefully that makes sense. If it doesn't, yell out in the comments below. So there we go, and this could actually be the reason that your EV isn't starting. It's not necessarily the big high voltage battery found under the car. So there we go, nice quick easy video for you today. I thought that might be helpful. If it was, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.